Welcome to one of my videos, and this is about virtual network on the Microsoft Azure cloud. A virtual network needs a few things: a name address space and what subscription and resources. Group also needs a location where it's located. We are going to create its own subnet and a subnet where you can take a virtual networks. So you click on the add button, so you add in a new virtual network, and this brings up a list here which I was on about, and what you need to do is put it into the group we created earlier, which is called the as a resource. And what I'm going to do is name this, so I'm going to call it VNet, a VNetwork. Is when you go to the IP addresses, this is where you put in the IP address range of what you want to put in. Okay. Right, okay, I'm going to use the 192.168.00.24 network. What you have to do is add a subnet. You click on add subnet, and then you put in the name, and I'm going to call this management. Then below, I'm going to paste it in. Well, I'm going to have the .28. This gives me up to 11 IPs I can actually use for this, but 5 Azure's reserved for himself. Okay, so what you do then is you click on the add button here. So what you do then, you go to preview and create this. Well, they'll actually go through the test it, make sure it works. It looks like it's gone past the validation test, and now it takes about a few minutes to actually finish the actual network. You can click on go to your resource. On the address space tab, I'm going to add some additional IP addresses. We are not limited to adding these additional addresses. You can add as many as you want in your network. We've just increased it from 256 to 1000 IP addresses in these ranges. To create a new subnet, and then you put the name of what you want to call the subnet, and I'm going to call this web. Just click on OK. So that I created another subnet. If you're creating subnets, you've got to give one for broadcast and one for the gateway, and Microsoft Azure take 3 for their management system on the Azure. Right, I'm going to create an additional subnet, and I'm going to call this full range of IP addresses, and this is 192.168.10.24 mask. And I'm going to click OK because I'm going to use this later on in our videos. 251 IP addresses, which is the full range of what we actually originally. I'm going to create a gateway. Click on the add button there. You can't change them on this, and it's already pre-set up by Microsoft. So that's one good thing about the Microsoft Azure is that it knows what you're actually putting in. Click OK. In a few minutes or a few seconds, it's